Daisy thinks of a whole number. She multiplies the number by 3. Daisy's answer is 34. Explain how you know Daisy's answer is wrong. It's quite obvious. It's 34 is not in the 3 times table. You could also put that 34 is not a multiple of 3, anything along her lines. Right, here is a number machine. Input, add 6, times 2, output. Abby says that when the output is 36, the input is 60. Here is her working. 30 minus 6 equals 30. 30 times 2 equals 60. Abby is wrong. Explain what she has done wrong. Right, so if she was going to put, if the output was 36, you'd have to do the opposite. She's done the opposite for the minus 6, but she hasn't done the opposite for the divided by 2. So I would say that Abby has not done the opposite functions, and it's important to give an example. So e.g. should have to do 60. Here is a number machine. Input, add 6, times 2, output. Abby says, and when the output is 36, the input is 60. Here is a working. 36 minus 6 equals 30, and 30 times 2 equals 60. Explain what she has done wrong. Okay. Now, I would say that, now if you think about it, if the output is 36, we need to go back and do the opposite. So we actually need to divide it by 2, and then we need to subtract 6, and we'll get the input. So I'll say that Abby has not done the opposite functions. It's important to give an example. E dot G dot. So the output is 36, so it'll be 36 divided by 2, which would equal 18. And then there'll be 18 minus 6, which equals 12. So always good to show your examples, then the examiner knows that you've actually worked out.